Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we'll discuss how we can install and set up Android Studio on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that before installing Android Studio we have to set up Java on our system. For that, simply open any browser and search for Java and open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll put the download link in the description box. Here simply click on newest downloads option and here simply select Java SE22. Now select your operating system. We are going to download it for Windows, so I'll simply select Windows and download x64-bit installer file. For that, simply click on this link. So here you can see it is downloading the installer file. So let me complete the download process. Once download complete, simply open the installer file. So here we have our Java SE Development Kit 22 setup window. So let me minimize the browser. Here click on next button. Here just keep everything to default. Don't change the installation settings. If you change the installation setting, then there will be error related to environment variable. So just keep everything to default. Then click on next button. And here you can see it is installing the latest version of Java SE Development Kit on our Windows operating system. Once the download is complete, simply close this installer window. Now simply open File Explorer, open C drive, open Programs files, and here look for Java folder. Simply open this folder and open JDK22 folder. Now open the bin folder and copy this installation path. Now we have to set up environment variable to use the latest version of Java. For that, on the search option, search for settings and open the settings application. Click on system tab, scroll down. Here click on about option. Now click on advanced system settings. Here you will get system properties window. Simply click on advanced tab, then click on environment variable option. Now under system variables, simply look for path variable, select it, click on edit button. Now click on new button and paste the path of Java bin folder. Then click on OK. Here click on OK. Now click on OK button to save the environment variable settings. Now to check whether Java SE Development Kit 22 is set up or not, simply open command prompt. For that, on the search option, search for CMD and open command prompt application. Now here we have to run few commands. So first of all, let us check Java version installed on our Windows 11. For that, simply run Java space --version, then hit enter. And here you will get your current Java installation version, that is Java 22, Java SE runtime environment build number, and Java hotspot 64-bit server VM build number. Now to check whether Java compiler is working or not, you can simply run javac command. If you get bunch of statement, that means Java JDK 22 is successfully set up on our Windows operating system. Once you have installed and set up Java on your system, you can simply download the Android Studio installer file. For that, open any browser. Here, search for Android Studio and open the link from developer.android.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download the latest version of Android Studio. Now to download, simply click on this download button. And here, simply accept the terms and condition for downloading Android Studio. And here, check this box, then click on this download button. And here you can see it is downloading and it is around 1.1 GB, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process. Once the download process has been completed, simply open this installer file. So here we have our Android Studio setup window. Let me minimize the browser. Here on the Welcome to Android Studio Setup, simply click on next button to continue. Now here you have to select the component that you want to install. So I want to install Android Studio along with Android virtual device. However, if you want to use your own Android smartphone, then you don't need to download Android virtual device. You can directly use your Android smartphone to test your Android application. For that, you have to enable developer mode on your Android device. However, I will also suggest you to download Android virtual device. Once you have selected the component, simply click on install button. Here is the location where your Android Studio will be installed. If you want to change this location, you can simply click on browse button and browse the location. But for now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on next button. Here, if you want to create a start menu folder, simply name your start menu as Android Studio, or else if you don't want to create, then simply check this box, do not create shortcut. Then click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation process has been completed, simply click on next button. And if you want to start Android Studio, you can simply check this box, or else uncheck the box, then click on finish button. Now to open Android Studio application, simply on the search option, search for Android Studio and open the application. Here simply select do not import settings, then click on OK. And if you want to share statistics of your Android Studio to Google, then you can simply click on send users statistics to Google, or else you can simply click on don't send button. So here we have our Android Studio setup wizard. Here simply click on next button. And here simply choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. Simply select standard, then click on next button, and here are the components that will be installed on your system. Simply click on next, and here simply accept the license agreement, then click on finish button, and it will download all the components that are required to develop your Android application. So the download process will take some time. Wait for the download process to complete. Once downloading of components completed, simply click on finish button. Now here we have our Android Studio. Now to start a new project, simply click on new project and select your project template. Then click on next. Name your application, say for example my application. Here you can give name to your package name and the location where you want to save your project. Now from the drop-down menu, simply select the language in which you want to program your Android application. For example, we have installed Java, so I can simply select Java from the drop-down menu, or else you can also select Kotlin if you are familiar with Kotlin programming language. Now here you can select your minimum SDK your Android application will support. Then click on finish button and it will create the Android project. Now you can program your Android application. So that's it. This is how you can install and set up Android Studio on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.